guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this easy 5-minute eye makeup for work, school and every day. I have used only 3 eyeshadows and also only Drugstore products. If you want to see more 5-minute eye looks, please give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. I have already primed my eyes with the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. This is in the shade 30 Light Honey, and I have also set it with this powder. This is the All About Matte Fixing Loose Powder by Essence. For today's eye look I'm gonna use this palette by Essence. This is the Hallo Berlin eyeshadow palette, and this one here has the perfect shades for an easy everyday look that you can do in 5 minutes. I'm gonna start with this warm brown matte eyeshadow, and this is gonna be my transition color. I'm buffing that out in the crease area with the eye blender brush by Essence, and I'm going back and forth in the crease. This is a medium tone brown eyeshadow. If you have a darker skin tone, you can use something darker. Without any additional product on my brush, I continue blending the edges. I'm also diffusing the color in the outer crease and a little bit towards the brow bone. I'm changing the brush. This is the Urban Decay smudging brush, and I'm going to take again the same shade and I'm going to smudge this on the lower lash line. I'm starting blending the shade on the center of the lower lash line and I'm going outwards. After that I'm going towards the inner corner, and I'm also trying to blend inside the crease color in the outer corner. I'm going over the edges with the same brush and without any additional product. Up next, I'm using a brown eye pencil in the waterline, and this is the Liner Refine Expression Kajal in the shade 38 Brown. I'm also going to tightline my eyes with this pencil. That's so uncomfortable. Sharpen it up before you store it, and it is ready for the next use. Let's continue with this gold shimmery eyeshadow, and with a Bella Pierre eyeshadow brush, I'm pressing that on the eyelid. With the tip of the brush, I'm blending the color in the crease area. And I'm also adding some in the tear duct to highlight the inner corner. To blend any edges, I'm going back and forth with my eye blender brush. Here we have this black matte eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take some with the eyebrow brush by Essence. With this one I'm gonna line the upper lashes, and this is gonna give a fuller look to them. You can do that also with a dark brown eyeshadow. For mascara I'm gonna use this one by NYX. This is the Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. On the lips I'm using this lip gloss by e.l.f. This is in the shade Mocha Kiss. This one has the perfect opacity for a lip gloss. Let me know in the comments what color of lip product you would choose for this eye look. You can find here another 5-minute everyday eye look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! In this video I'm gonna be showing you this 5-minute easy makeup tutorial for work, school, every day. Okay, I have used only 3 Drugstore eyeshadows. No, 2, 2, boom, 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 boom.